So far, we have learned about prompt components like instructions, input, output, and also the interaction rules that were system, user, and assistant. Now let's look at something super practical, the general principles that make prompts truly effective. These are simple rules to follow so that AI understands you clearly and gives you exactly what you need. First rule, keep it simple. Use plain everyday words. No fancy language. Short sentences work best. Example, instead of saying elaborate on the utility of hydration vessels, just say talk about why water bottles are useful. Second rule we have is clarity. Be very clear about what you want and what you don't want. Third rule is specificity. While writing the prompt, be very specific about who is the audience, what format should be the answer in. Tell AI exactly what you need. In the prompt that we have on the right, we are being very specific about the audience. We are defining it in a separate line. Also, we are defining the format of our output separately, that the format should be in a table with 3 columns, and these are the headings of the columns. While writing a prompt, in addition to specifying the structure of the output, also keep the structure of the prompt in mind. Your prompt should be divided into clear sections. You should use clear headings or bullet points to bring in readability. The fifth rule is contextual richness. Give background information whenever needed. The more the AI knows, the better it performs. In our example prompt, we are specifying that this is the brand name. The bottles have leak-proof lids, custom wraps, and UV sterilization. The last rule is use of example. This one is golden rule. Show examples of what you want. If AI sees an example, it is more likely to match your style. In our example prompt, we are clearly showing that this is the type of output that we want. So next time you write a prompt, just remember these 6 principles. Keep it simple, clear, specific, well-structured, rich in context, and if you can, include an example. The more guidance you give, the better the AI performs.